Nvidia is plus 8.74% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 28th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Nvidia, the dominant force in AI chip infrastructure. Nvidia is up 8.74% to $227.98 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $220.90 and $230.47. The long-term fundamentals for Nvidia revolve around data center GPU demand, AI capex cycles, and export restrictions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Amazon just tripled its order of Nvidia chips over surging demand, Yahoo Finance. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that S&P 500, NASDAQ end down on tech stocks, investors weigh Iran moves. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that NASDAQ, S&P 500 lifted by Nvidia's forecast, investors' eye speech by Fed's wash. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by NASDAQ and S&P 500 climb as Nvidia earnings fuel tech rally, TradingView. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Kotak Mahindra Bank surged plus 3.76% to 416.70 Indian rupees in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Kotak Q1 FY27 presentation, 23% profit growth, asset quality improves, investing.com. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Kotak Mahindra Bank sits around 441.70 Indian rupees. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. Deutsche Bank surged plus 3.73% to €34.44 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Deutsche Bank cuts Novo Nordisk to sell after earnings, shares dip, investing.com. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Deutsche Bank sits around €36.51. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. SAP is down minus 2.93%, trading at €180.02. Investor sentiment is being shaped by going into earnings. Is SAP stock a buy, a sell, or fairly valued? Morningstar. The technical picture for SAP has deteriorated. The €169.22 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Here is our analytical view on Nvidia from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Amazon just tripled its order of Nvidia chips over surging demand, Yahoo Finance. The key number to track this week is data center revenue run rate. With Blackwell GPUs ramping across hyperscaler data centers, analysts are upgrading estimates, but the stock is priced for continued execution. Any supply chain commentary or China export restriction update could be the swing factor. The bull case holds as long as AI capex from Microsoft, Google, and Amazon stays elevated. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Nvidia from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.